Welcome to Ada's Reading Corner. Hi, I'm Ada, your storyteller. Let's share the joy of reading and embrace the power of imagination, one enchanting story at a time. So visit with me on my YouTube channel and let the magic begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for notifications of new stories. Misty the Cloud, The Thing About Spring, written by Dylan Dreyer with Alan Katz and illustrated by Rosie Butcher. Claire and her mom were doing some spring cleaning. They made piles of books and clothes to give away. As Claire packed up boxes, she asked her mother why they always cleaned for spring. Claire's mom told her that spring is a season of change. In late March, the top half of the earth tilts closer to the sun. Nights will get shorter. Days will get longer and warmer, and flowers will bloom once again. That gave Claire an idea. She found her flower kit. It was the perfect time for Claire to plant her seeds. Misty and her mom were also doing some spring cleaning. Done, said Misty. Spring cleaning is not just about making your room look nice, her mom said. In spring, clouds also need to rain to fill the lakes and streams. We must water the trees, the flowers, and the grass. Our rain helps green things grow tall and strong. Back at Claire's house, Claire planted her seeds in the soil. She gave them a tiny bit of water. She placed the pot on the back deck. Now what? Claire asked. Now we wait, her mother said. Raining is fun, Misty cheered. It's a blast, Wispy added. Nimby asked them why nothing was growing. Ray the Sunbeam and her friends showed up. Ray told Nimby they needed to help make things grow too. Our sunshine warms the earth. The sun helps plants to grow, she said. Ray the Sunshine and Misty the Cloud made up a little song. You give rain and I give sun. Teaming up for plants is fun. Claire looked in her flower pot every day. One day she saw a tiny green shoot. It's starting to grow, Mom, shouted Claire. After 1 month, the plant was standing tall. After 2 months, the flower was ready to bloom. Claire's flower had bloomed. It was a great big sunflower. She handed it to her mom. This is for you. Great job, everyone, said Misty's mom. She looked so proud. How pretty the earth gets in spring, she said. Hooray for spring! The end of Misty the Cloud, The Thing About Spring. Thanks for listening, and if you enjoyed the story, then go ahead and hit that like button for me. And subscribe to my channel for notification of new stories.